Welcome back to Better Nashville. Well, a popular restaurant chain could be in some legal trouble regarding some possible age discrimination. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by to explain. Hey Jim, thanks for stopping by.
Thanks.
All right, let's talk about this recent lawsuit with this popular restaurant chain that so many people love. What happened here? They're in a little bit of trouble.
They potentially are. This is a EEOC lawsuit, and what they're saying is that this chain had a policy of just hiring young, attractive hosts, bartenders, waiters, anybody that the public will come in contact with. Visible spots. And of course, the lawsuit was filed saying that it's an age discrimination case. They weren't hiring anybody over 40. And the way this will come down, and they would have a hard time with it, is one, the EEOC is going to have to prove that it was age discrimination, that it's not just random, that was who applying for the job. So they'll use statistics to show how many people older than 40 applied, what percentage of those got hired. There's also going to be testimony that the managers were trained to look for young, fresh faces, things like that. They use code words sometimes, but they're going to have a hard time. The only real exception that a restaurant can get by with hiring someone that categorized under 40 or a specific gender if it's a bona fide requirement of the job. You know, Hooters was in a lawsuit years ago about that, and they did win, saying that, hey, that's kind of our restaurant theme, so servers are going to be women, and they were able to survive that lawsuit. But they did actually, as part of the settlement, have to hire more men in other positions like bartenders and host and I think cooks, things like that.
So in that case, it really just depends on the situation that you're working with. Okay, do you see a lot of these types of cases at your firm? Yeah,
you know, our employment law section, we handle all types of discrimination cases. But I will say, over the past few years, age discrimination has really seemed to soar, and you know, I guess it's a product of a few things. One, we've got an aging society, the baby boomers getting up there. When the economy's tight, you see it more. Employers may be hiring young people because they can pay them less, but they can't just automatically say we're not going to hire someone under 40 or fire someone because they're getting old. We have a lot of that where people get terminated that we are able to prove in a lot of cases that was because of their age. That was a motivating factor in it.
Yeah, and so if someone out there feels like maybe they have been looked at like that and treated like that, should they just give you a call?
Yeah, you know, we get two calls. I think one is somebody's been terminated and we think that's the reason they can come on in and we'll look at the case. A lot of times people are worried something's going to happen, and we don't mind. We talk to those folks too and talk about, you know, ways to protect yourself, maybe emails that would be smart to send, or fax, recording things. So yeah, if they feel that they've been a victim of discrimination, they're welcome to call our employment law section, and we can help them through that.
All right, helping out a lot of people. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-353-0930. Again, 615-353-0930, or visit them online at higginsfirm.com.